up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a little get ready with me. This makeup that I have on right now, just doing a little get ready with me using some of my favorite products. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Come back to my channel. It's been like 2 weeks I think since I've got to film a video. I've been so busy, but I'm getting ready for work today, so I thought I got up a little earlier, and I thought we could get ready together for the day. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys, I'm just gonna do a get ready with me using some of my favorite products. So that's what's going on. First, gonna put some lip balm on. This is the Pear Glowy Balm by Laneige. I don't think they make this anymore, and it's really sad because this was like my favorite one. I love pear stuff. It just smells so good. Primer, I'm gonna go in with my liquid poreless putty primer from elf. Elf literally slays. I love them so much. So that is the primer of the day. I found a new foundation and I'm like in love with it. It's not a new one to anyone else probably, but it's the first time I've used it. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place. I'm obsessed. This works like so great on my skin. I got it at the cosmetic company store in like a little outlet mall that's not too far from me. They were having like a deal, like 6 products for $60, so I picked one of these as one of my products. So it was basically $10 because I wanted to give it a shot, which is normally like a $50-$60 foundation, and it works so good. So good. So I'm like, I almost want to go back and literally buy all the ones they had, because I'm like, I don't want to pay $50 for this, because I got it from there for like 10. But you guys, it's such a good foundation. Like, it just looks so beautiful on the skin. I'm obsessed with it. Like, this is literally my new favorite. Mine's in the shade Bone. It works pretty well. They didn't have too many options of colors there left, so I just went with what I thought I could work with. So, and I'm just using my elf sponge. But yeah, like, you would see this and think like, oh, she's boring, like it's old lady makeup. Girl, it's a great foundation. Darby's sleeping in my bed right now and she looks so cute. Look at my cute little Snoopy picture. It says warm wishes. It's so cute. I put some reindeer up there. I'm trying to get a little Christmassy. I put some Christmas stuff up yesterday because I just wanted to decorate a little. But anyways, for concealer, the Juvia's Place has been my fave. Like, I've been using this for like 2 months straight, I feel like, and I have barely made it. Like, there's so much in here and it's so full coverage. Like, I love it. Mine is in the shade 19, but this concealer is that girl. Like, she is full cov, will cover anything. This is the LYS stick in the No Limit stick in the shade Harmony. This is the best bronzer stick ever. I love the Rare Beauty one and this one. These are like my go-tos. And if you're wanting a drugstore option, the Wet n Wild in the shade Call Me Maple. So we're gonna use this one today. It's just so buttery soft and it blends like a dream. Now it's time for some blush. So let's see what we want to use today. I'm gonna go in with Happy from Rare Beauty because this is like my favorite blush from her, I think. I just love the pinky. It looks cute. The Essence Brighten Up powder. under my eyes to set, so I'm gonna use a little puff. I just get these like on Amazon. Make sure all the creases are out, and I just load it up on my little puff, and then I just set right under the eyes. I don't know, it just mattifies it really nicely. I will put some on the chin and like my forehead. Go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, or I'll do just like any loose powder I have. The Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. This is the matte version. So I can get her open. Yeah, milk chocolate matte. I'm gonna add some of that around all the places we put the cream bronzer, just to make sure that that's set, and add a little color dimension. This one knows. This stuff smells so good. I also got this at the cosmetic company store, like 10 for, or no, 6 for $60, 6 products. And so this is like $10, so, and it's a really good product. I've had it before, like I have it in the old packaging here, and that one I've like hit pan and it's almost gone, but it's a really good product. So there's that. I want to put a little powder on top, a little powder blush. So I've been really loving my Kylie Cosmetics blush in Baddie on the Block. This one is just such a pretty shade. I feel like it just goes with everything. It's really nice, and it works well with the Happy blush. So we're gonna add that over top. That has been like my favorite blush combo recently. I love the Rare Beauty highlight. They're so pretty. I have the shades Exhilarate, which is what I normally use. It's the gold, but I recently have got the shade Mesmerize, and it's more of the pinky, so I think we'll go with this one today because I haven't used it in a hot minute. Oh, just look at that. It's like, they're so blinding and pretty. I'm gonna do my brows real quick off camera. I just used the Maybelline Tattoo Studio little pomade to fill them in, and then I add a little bit of like clear brow gel from Essence. So I will do that real quick and we can get into the eye makeup. So we are using the Kylie Cosmetics palette, the matte palette from her. I love this palette. I literally mention it in like, I think a couple of my videos I've used this, but this is like my go-to. Like, it is such a good palette. We're gonna use my Patrick Ta holiday palette for like the glittery parts, but this is a good staple for like the basic neutrals that you need to create a look. I'm gonna go in first off with the shade Nude, which is right. I'm gonna go in with Nude and just buff that all over the crease as like our transition shade. I'm going in with the shade Umber, which is like a burnt orange color. In with the shade Chocolate, which is the deep brown, and add that to like the outer corner. Okay, I'm also gonna take the Chocolate shade, which is the dark brown, under for my lower lash line a little bit. Use the Ulta Glitter Primer as my eye primer for the Patrick Ta stuff, so let me get some of that out here. If you guys haven't seen my review on the Patrick Ta palette, definitely check it out. I can link it below, but we're gonna use one of the glitters today. I think today I want to go in with the pink, this one. Because I think in my last video I did that one. Let's go in with this one today. I'm obsessed. Like, look how glittery and pretty that is, and it kind of has like a green gold like shift to it. It's like duochromy. It is just so pretty, so pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna add some liner, lashes, mascara, so let's go in with the Rare Beauty liquid liner. For mascara, I'm going in with Tower 28. This is a really good mascara. I only have a little mini of it, but I like it. Do you hear her snoring over there? I'm cracking up. We're gonna go in with Pale Pink from NYX. The Fenty Beauty Riri Gloss. It's just one of the most stunning glosses. Like, it's just beautiful. I absolutely, positively love it. I had a girl literally at work ask me if I had lip injections the other day. She's like, do you have your lips done? I was like, no girl, no girl, just that Fenty gloss, baby. Like, I don't think I'll ever get my lips done. I think they're already a good size. I think if I had any bigger, they would not like proportion right with my face. So you guys, you know what, I think I am gonna put on lashes because I'm just that girl. Like, I don't know, I feel weird when I don't have them. Like, I don't think it looks bad, but I just feel like all together when I have the lashes. It's a sickness, it's a disease. Once you start wearing lashes, you will never go back. It really is a sickness. So let me put them on, I'll be right back. The lashes are on. I feel like it just completed the look. It brought it all together, full circle. So we need to use some setting spray. Milani Make It Last is my go-to. This bottle is almost gone. I have another. I have a backup, don't worry. But we're gonna try to use the rest of this. So let's go for it. But since we have a whole bunch of different setting sprays at work, half the time I will set my face again at work. So love that for me. But here is the completed makeup, all done, all together. I think it looks so pretty. I'm here for it. I love it. Thank you guys for sticking around, getting ready with me today. I appreciate it so much. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. It means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video.